Good morning, Mrs. Ray.
Morning.
Cleaning out Kezzy's new toy.
Yeah.
That's not really a toy, right? It's a little food container.
Yeah, it's more of a toy for me.
And this is breakfast. Mountains of frosting and cinnamon goodness. We're headed down to Don's. It's another good week, and we've just finished up with church, and traffic is terrible, which is not unusual to Utah because of all the construction that goes on here. However, this doesn't look like it's construction related.
Now you guys can see the smoke. Oh yeah, it's all broken up after this. Oh, it's a camper. Oh my gosh. It's like charcoal. Holy cow. Yeah.
Let's get an RV!
We're here at Grandpa's. And Kezzy's getting
the Sour
treats.
Patch.
Eat it.
See, I know what that thing is.
Not as good as the first time, but it's still funny. She'll eat
She's
anything.
a fan now. Yeah, Mama fan.
Yep, she's used to it now. Yep, feed it to me.
Where are you? Where's Kezzy? Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
It's been like a week and a half since we started sleep training Kezzy. I gave her her bath, I got her ready for bed, and I let her play out here for like 20 minutes or so and just kick around and roll and sit. And then I just laid her down expecting her to cry, but she didn't cry at all. Like, at all. So, sleep training. Next up is getting her on a set schedule. So I want to start waking her up at 7. Hopefully once she's on that set schedule, then she'll start sleeping through the night. Next will be my next thing to do. She's doing better. So hopefully she'll sleep better tonight. We all need it. We're all so tired, so we'll see how tonight goes. But yeah, no crying. So Kezzy and I are on our way to take Bruin to his grooming appointment. He needs to be groomed. It's summertime. It's hot. He's shedding more, which means more vacuuming for me. Okay, let's go. Let's go, bud.
Hey, so I'm actually down here at a little like river thing that's by my work complex, and I was gonna try and get some cool little shots. You can see the river's beautiful that runs down here. We've got a nice little bike walkway thing that runs along a lot of the river here. I'm gonna ride down it a little bit more and see if I can get something decent. So we found out that Kezzy's got my soccer legs. Look at her. Goodness, kid. So we're on our way to a house that's we just found out is going to go up for sale in the area that we want to live in. So we're just gonna go make a quick trip to check it out, see if it's something that we'd actually like.
I just want to note that it is 8 p.m. It's an ice cream truck at 8 p.m. and there's kids out.
I am making some nachos, late night nachos, but I want to let you in on a secret of how to cook nachos in the microwave. So all you got to do is make a little donut ring and leave the center kind of opened up, and then the rest of it will cook evenly. I'm just going to go for 30 seconds here. That looks just about right. So as you can see, all the cheese is melted. That's perfect, and that stringiness between it's what you want, and that lets you know that it's cooked right. So we're getting ready right now to head out to dinner at Akasaka Sushi. We're going there to meet up with some people that lived in New Jersey when I was there, when I was a missionary.
Stop it! Don't, and not so close!
This is the gang that was here. This one's the first bucket ready for bed.
Yeah, right?
Jeez. That was good. Mmm. I just need you to say that again. That's all.
I told Sean he looks like a dark-haired David Beckham.
Check that out.
I'll take it.
Hey guys.
Yeah, well, you
See you guys. Thanks.
I love you.
My bag is stuck. Jordan and I are headed out to the temple with some friends. We're gonna go finally do a session. It's been a long time since we've gone through because of having a kid. And we're going with our friends, the Bertelsons, who you saw in the Real Salt Lake video that I will, I'll link it right there. Just hit the little I. And, oh yeah. Hey guys! So we're going with Taylor and Chelsea. They're awesome. So here's the temple. So we just finished our session. I've got a bag of chips because I'm super hungry, and we're gonna go to lunch now. That was really awesome. That was my first time going through the Salt Lake Temple, both mine and Jordan's first time. And there are a lot of people getting married. It's really, look at this. Look at these crowds. There are just buckets of people out here waiting for the bride and groom to come out through this little entrance over here. We're going to the Lion House. Rawr.
Arr. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my.
That's some kind of an eatery. Dine in, take out, come in and enjoy hot food for, oh, I didn't have enough time to read it. What'd you get, Jordo? Pulled pork. That's what I got. There we go. That's our trip to the temple.
Trip to the temple.
Trip to the temple. You guys are supposed to sing. Come on, let's just trip to the temple. Yeah, it was great. All right, back to the apartment. What's up? This is back down. We got Scott and Christina and Warner here. Playing with us at the pool. Gotta get